Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install environmental risk checks with ClimateCheck, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install environmental risk checks with ClimateCheck, begin by accessing the ClimateCheck website. Navigate to the registration section. Create your account by inputting the necessary information. Verify your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your ClimateCheck account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its layout and features. Locate the option for environmental risk checks on the main menu. Select the type of property or area you want to assess. Enter the address or coordinates of the location in the search bar. Review the generated list of environmental risks associated with that location. Access detailed reports for each risk category presented. Analyze the data provided to understand potential environmental hazards. If needed, use the tools provided to customize your risk assessment parameters. Save your assessment for future reference. Consider downloading the report for offline access. Regularly check back for updates on environmental risks in that area. Utilize the insights gained to inform decision-making regarding property investments or developments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.